Good morning and welcome to 2025. We're at the Black Swan this morning for a bit of a car meet. There's not a great deal here at the moment, but it is only early, 10 o'clock. So we'll start off with this absolutely stunning Alfa Montreal. Absolutely beautiful. 1976, possibly 77. Finished in a bronzy, orangey metallic. It's absolutely stunning. It's got some really nice alloy wheels on it. And it's a lovely looking vehicle. This belongs to Bob, I believe, who's an engine builder. That's Andy from Strigley Tube knows. Beautiful vehicle, absolutely very rare as well, very rare. And yeah, a lovely little vehicle that is. A fantastic interior.
Mechanical injection.
Alright. Oh, is it double cam V8?
Yeah. It is like the
That's Ferrari.
2.6.
Very nice.
2.6.
Look at that. Sweet, isn't it?
Lovely, isn't it?
Them hoses need to go black.
Yeah, I just said that
I suppose it does matches the colour there.
Matches out, it doesn't match the body.
No, that's a beautiful motor, isn't it?
We're knocking your points, Bob.
There's a BMW there, compact on an S in red. A few spot lamps on some Ozo wheels. I think this is Oz wheels, sorry. Yeah, I don't know what it is, whether it's a 318 or 218 or whatever it is. Whatever they are, I'm not sure of them. Jaguar, a few Jaguars here. They call yellow MR2 there. He's a member of the Phoenix Club. I think the Jaguar's a member of the Phoenix Club, if I'm not mistaken. And then there's the Escort. I think this is Carl Harry, if I remember, 1.4 LX, quite a nice car. In the gold on a G plate. RS turbo wheels. And then we've got a Mitsubishi Evo. I'm not sure what this is, what model, it's P-Reg. We've got the Audi Estate here, A4 I think it is, might be an A6, I'm not sure. In green. This is Andy Jones's, I believe. And we've got the C-Class Mercedes in Mars Red. I used to have one that colour. Oops, spin around the right way. Then we've got the Porsche on an 04 911, one of my favourite classic, but more favourite than that is this 1969 Citroen DS. Look at that, in dark metallic blue, straight blue, sorry. Beautiful, left-hand drive, absolutely lovely. Revolutionary these with the turning headlamps. Oh, coffee at 600, not starting. Interior in that, beautiful. Driving in luxury. What a lovely vehicle that is. I do like it. It's a DS20.
Steering, power brake, everything.
Sweet.
Yeah.
That's a Citroen engine there.
So anything that takes that is painted green. Because when originally they had like red fluid and they were probably quite hygroscopic, taking in a lot of fluid, water, moisture. So they changed it to the green stuff, which is, I don't know, whatever. But if you put the red stuff in the green one by mistake, it completely screws the system up. So they made sure that every single part green, so you couldn't possibly make a mistake. These are the spheres for the suspension. Yeah. Same as that. Yeah, it's got two drives on the pump and everything. If they go, you haven't got clear in the brakes. Yeah.
And then we've got the Manta T200. Another lovely vehicle, and member of the Phoenix Club. This is at most of the venues. Then we've got another Porsche here. Oh, there's a little Fiat 600. And look at this Lancia Fulvia. Beautiful. What a lovely vehicle that is. I think I've seen this at Lee Classics in the past. Really nice. A beautiful interior. Beautiful. Nice wooden dash. Lovely. Wonderful. Steel wheels. Look at the styling on that. 1972. Over here we've got this beautiful little Lancia 4-cylinder, twin 40s. Beautiful. Look at that. What a lovely car. Minute little engine. And then a gearbox just down the back there. And then we've got the lovely little Fiat 126. Malute, these are called in Poland. Do quite like these. Beautiful. Another one with a nice interior. Oh, it's got fluffy Smurf on the front seat there, keeping guard. There he is, Mr. Smurf. Lovely. 1983, I know why. And we've got another Porsche, a Boxster. 53 plate. And there's Dave there doing his video for his YouTube channel. And we've got Andy there with his Quantum. One of his many ones. Jazz, better known as. A couple of Jaguars, nice types there. An R-Line one and just a general standard one. I've got a Mini coming in here. And we've got my Sunbeam Sport. A nice little Mini Cooper. Oh, turn around camera. Sounds nice, doesn't it? British Racing Green Metallic with a white roof. Northwest Casual Classics. Sticker in the front. Not sure what else is going to roll up. There's Mercedes. Another one I like, SL. Hello, what a car. Metallic grey by the looks of it. Oh, it's a 500 as well. So I don't know what happened, but my microphone decided not to work, so I'll do a voiceover. Here's a lovely pale blue 65 Morris Minor 2-door and the 1969 Viva HC in white. Little bit of corrosion on the doors and the wings, but we'll forgive it for its age. Also, it's got twin tailpipes, so I don't know whether it's just been fitted as aftermarket or there's something fruity under the bonnet. Didn't manage to catch up with the owner of the Viva or the Morris Minor, but both lovely looking cars and not perfect, but in regular use, and that's the most important thing. So just moving across the car park, there's a 1930s Daimler just rolled up, and this beautiful 66 VW Beetle, again in the pale blue, very similar to the Morris Minor, but what a stunning vehicle that is. Absolutely beautiful. Really, really well prepared and well looked after. Then we've got this lovely green and white Cresta. I've seen this before at other shows. Again, proper 50s engineering from Vauxhalls when they actually knew how to build cars. Not like the modern stuff they churn out today, as you can say for all these classics. But just look at the styling. Look at the curvature on the window. Absolutely unbelievable. Massive car as well for 50s, but you can see the influence of the Americans for the styling on that. It's just wonderful. absolutely wonderful. But this Beetle's really took my eye. It's absolutely stunning. It's got the louvered back window inside, which must be a very, very rare option to get hold of. So just rolled up is this 1931 Daimler C31, I believe. I spoke to the owner. It was beautiful. But anyway, back to the Beetle. Like I said before, it's absolutely stunning. The interior is brilliant, like a beige with a cream interior cloth. Absolutely looks stunning, and certainly would love to have that in my collection. And back to the Daimler, this 1931. There's only 12 of these registered left in the world apparently, and there's one owned by the ex-Dorset Chief Constable, who keeps in regular contact with his current owner. And now this is a 22-year-old MX-5 with 22,000 miles on the clock, totally original. Spoke to the owner, really nice guy. Also got a blue one back at home, which must be a bit more tweaked. Then we've got into late model MR2 here in white. I've seen this at the Manor in the past, along with this VW Beetle. Also seen that at the Manor in the past, quite a late model one. So I hope you've enjoyed the New Year's meet at the Black Swan in Rixton, and we'll catch up next time. Many thanks.